Hi everybody. So all these stuff just came in like about a day ago. Didn't have time to unopen it. I don't know what this is, but I haven't thrown bucktails since I was a little kid. On the other hand, whenever I go looking around in Hawaii, I don't see larger sizes. So I'm kind of excited to try to throw these because this is like a 1.5 ounce bucktail or jig or whatever you want to call this. They gave an extra one. This chartreuse one. I think these will work though. Plus at least has enough heft to it, because most of the ones I see around here is like 1/2 ounce, 1/4 of an ounce, not even an ounce. It's like need the extra weight to get out there. The presentation is decent. It's kind of big, but it's not too big. Just want to try to see if I can throw one out and see if I catch anything with them. These ones I can throw just about anywhere. But on the other hand, the ones that's coming up, I don't think I can throw it anywhere because I'm just waiting actually for winter time. Let's go look at this. I'm not scared. Okay, Nomad design, mad scared. I had one of these already. Actually, I still have one of this. I lost one. I lost one or two. Awfully expensive to lose. Nice lures. They swim nice and slow. I lost one about this size, but it was a white glow. I guess so my connection between my braid and the mono wasn't the greatest. So when I threw one of these out, I just saw it just fly. Son of a gun. So this one looks good. Hopefully I catch something with this. This one I want to try. Awfully different profile or different shape. Back heavy. I want to try to wing this out. Actually, I can throw these sizes anywhere. I thought I ordered something bigger, but let's see what this is. The poppers. Let me take that back. I can throw out all of these anywhere, basically. Somebody was selling these poppers for kind of cheap, like 11 or 12 bucks. I already have one of their larger sizes. I got the size larger than this, so I want to try something about this size and see if I never did catch nothing with a popper yet, so I'm kind of frustrated because I know people catch a lot with poppers. I catch stuff with Yozuri lures, I catch stuff with soft plastics. I didn't catch nothing with all these name brands like Nomad Designs. What is that? The other one that I bought, kind of Dual Realis. I didn't catch nothing with all those, and they're all nice looking lures. It's quite upsetting when you spend extra money for the nice looking lures and still not catching nothing. This is the Chuck Norris. Look at how big the cup is. Plus is square, so it catches the water. I already used the the size larger than this. Nice big poop. But fishing's fishing. You gotta be at the right place, the right time. The fish gotta wanna bite. They wanna eat. So you ain't gonna catch nothing without your lines in the water and or trying. So that's why I kind of actually planning, just because I already know that I'm missing out on the right place at the right time, maybe. So figure the odds is more you try and more you try and you might get lucky. This one's actually nice. Some gold in there. I want to try this next time I go fishing, just to see. Haven't thrown a bucktail or a jig for a long time, these kinds. It was basically when my dad was fishing, and that was back when I was a kid. Well, anyway, these lures actually got me excited where I want to throw them out. Look at this color. I haven't caught nothing really with a gold lure, but I figure I hardly have any gold lures, so I got some with yellow and red, but full gold. Nice weight to it. Can throw decently far. Even this smaller one can throw decently far. I don't know about this one yet. This one, on the other hand, it feels like it can throw pretty far. It's back heavy. Should be able to fly this thing out there. Well, anyway, let me get on getting ready for work. Like always, I'm always trying to do something before I go work, if I'm making this kind of unboxing videos. Thank you and have a good day.